So you remember these lovely numbers? Aluminum chairs. Oh yeah. Well, I love selling these. I love finding them. These I actually found for free on the side of the street. Actually going out in the trash or Goodwill or something. So I picked them up. They're in good shape. Sold them. And now we're going to show you how to ship 2 of these aluminum chairs. Sarah here is going to help us. Sarah's been doing this for quite some time now, a couple years since I've been selling these chairs. There's usually a pair, there's several pair every spring I sell.
Yeah, and then they just trickle in for the rest of the year.
Yeah, these I priced kind of cheap because they're not the webbing ones, they're the full solid sheet of nylon or whatever. And so anyway, she loves shipping them.
Oh yeah.
So I let her do that. So we have 2 18 by 18 by 24 boxes. One's from Wally World and one's from Menards. So this is what we do.
Take your measuring tape.
Take your measuring tape. This is step by step, huh?
This is step by step. And you measure about 9 inches across.
9 inches, it's half of 18.
Yep. That's good math.
There you go.
18 by 18.
Then you do,
So
on the other
center
side,
it, yeah.
9 inches.
There.
And then you're going to score the cardboard.
So you're just scoring it, you're not going all the way through. Now these flaps, you're gonna cut
Cut all the way through. This knife cuts like butter. It's from the dollar store.
It's actually from Walmart. A long time ago. Like, probably 10 years ago.
Walmart, dollar store. I'm sure it was like $1. And she's scoring it all the way through, all the way up.
And you see it between the grooves, and it makes it easier to score.
Sarah said score.
So, your end goal is going to be a 27 by 9 box.
Look at that.
There you
Slick.
go. Just made your box.
So there is the box that fits these chairs like a glove.
Well, there's half of it. So there's one.
Yeah, one. Close your ears.
I'm going to use lots of tape.
This is half your box. Check that out. That's awesome.
And you do the same thing to your other box. Usually I use 2 boxes that match, but we didn't have them.
Same color. We're lucky we had 2. She comes out down here with the chairs and she's like, we only have 1 box. I was like, you better double check. And she found another box hiding. These boxes are like $1.50, $1.40 at the store, something like that. I usually buy
10 at a time or
10 or so. They're also good boxes to ship stuff into Amazon, which we do occasionally.
Walmart ones are harder to see.
Little knife piercing action.
just cut those off.
I'll show you why we're cutting these off here in just a second.
So this box you're going to slide over the other box on the top, so you don't need these flaps.
That's extra weight. But when you get this big, it's just dimensional. And you can use leftovers as frisbees.
Or wrap stuff.
Or wrap stuff. Alright, so now we have the second box.
That you will slide over the top in a weight that you go down the top.
But first, we have some lovely foam sheeting, compliments of Empire Comfort. We reuse a lot of packing materials from various sources.
Can't beat free.
Can't beat free, and you know, it's nice to keep it out of the landfill and use it, recycle.
Alright, so let's figure out. Sometimes these fit together better certain ways.
What about opposites?
These are a little different than most.
Do
I
opposite?
think this is probably nice. What, like this?
Mm-hmm.
Like that. That's probably pretty good. There they are. This works if you ship just a lounge chair like these two.
Which I have for sale in my store, our store. Picked up a nice rocker the other day. That'll go right in here too.
Mud, I guess.
And you should be getting paid for these tips. Save people $80. Well, maybe 50. These cost anywhere between $19 and $30 to ship, depending on where it goes. Usually about what?
$35.
$35 is the most we've paid for a set of chairs, and minimum probably around what, $22, $23.
I think you had one that was about 18 actually, but I think it was close.
We had a pair actually get sold across the street from us in the next neighborhood over. And so I just met him over there. That was a huge savings. It was a nice pair. Well, these are only going to Kansas. We'll see how much these
We shipped
cost.
them to New York.
That's a lot of foam. I wish they'd send that back to us when they're done packing this.
Hardest part is not to catch. Trying to not catch the flaps. There's so many flaps.
slide it down. And then it's double protected by cardboard too.
The wall. A little bit more up top.
So when you sell $100 pair of chairs, or whatever they go for, mark these a little cheaper. $85 is what I got for these. So you push that box all the way down to the next box, the first box.
All the way to the top of the flaps.
And then you got the top flaps for this, so it's like a regular box. And then, close your ears everybody. More tape. You've timed yourself on this, Sarah. How long has it taken you?
20 minutes. This one's like going a little faster.
To build ship. Oh, that's awful. Whole 9 yards here. That's a large box you got there.